In this video, I will show you how to use magnifying glass on your iPhone. So let's get started. With Magnifier, you can turn your iPhone into magnifying glass to zoom in and identify objects around you. We will add Magnifier to iPhone's control center. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Control Center. Scroll down and under More Controls, find Magnifier. Now tap plus icon to add it to included controls. Next, open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Now click the magnifying glass icon. Once you open Magnifier app, drag the slider next to the magnifying glass icon to zoom. You can also tap the brightness or contrast and apply color filters. So that is how you can use magnifying glass on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.